is taken by me, and presently the accused, one of the accused, Senator Cardozo, has filed for a bail before the Honorable Sessions Court, and the same is pending before the court. And tomorrow at 2:30, the hearing of the bail will be heard by the Honorable Court. So we have opposed it, and investigation in this case is conducted or is being conducted on merits. So we will try all best to collect the evidence in this. Whatever comes in the evidence, we will collect the evidence and will place before the court. So in this case, Rama Kankondkar has made statement alleging name of some politicians. So during the first, when my PSI Manjunath Naik went to record the statement, these names were not figuring in that. Even we have video recorded the statement of Rama Kankondkar. So now this is an improvement. So there has to be some connect. So we are investigating in that angle also. So as of now, the investigation is conducted with full force. So nothing, no pressure of sort, any sort of in this investigation to this. So investigations will be conducted on merit.